In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Chrome failed download error. If your downloads keep stopping with a failed message, we'll walk through a safe, structured cleanup that usually resolves it. We'll clear some temporary data, turn off extensions that might interfere, reset Chrome's settings to their defaults, and make sure Chrome is fully up to date. Follow along in Chrome so you can apply each step as I describe it. Start by opening Chrome's menu at the top right, the three dots, and open Settings. On the left side, go to Privacy and Security. Here, open Clear Browsing Data. For most people, the basic tab is enough. Choose a time range that makes sense. Last 7 days is a good start, and all time is the most thorough. Select cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Keep in mind that clearing cookies can sign you out of websites, so be ready to log back in. When you're set, click Delete Data and give Chrome a moment to finish. Next, still in Settings, open the Extensions page. Downloads often fail because an extension blocks or scans files as they arrive. Toggle off all extensions to quickly rule out conflicts. You're not uninstalling anything here, just turning them off so we can test cleanly. Remember which ones you rely on so you can bring them back later. Return to Settings. Use the search bar at the top to look for Reset. Open Reset Settings, then choose Restore Settings to their original defaults. Confirm by clicking Reset Settings. This puts Chrome back to a clean baseline. It resets your startup page, new tab, search engine, and pinned tabs, disables all extensions, and clears temporary data like cookies. Your bookmarks, history, and saved passwords remain intact if they're already stored in Chrome, especially if you sync with your account. Now let's make sure Chrome itself isn't the problem. In Settings, open About Chrome. This screen automatically checks for updates. If an update is available, click Update Chrome. When the update completes, restart Chrome so the changes take effect. Close all windows and let Chrome relaunch fresh. At this point, try your download again. If it works, you can return to the extensions page later and re-enable your add-ons one at a time, testing downloads as you go to identify any that cause issues. Clearing cache and cookies, temporarily disabling extensions, resetting settings, and updating Chrome addresses the most common causes of failed downloads and gets you back to a smooth, reliable browsing experience.